Hey guys, Brandon Olson here. Got another episode of Rank Daddy TV. Today I'm going to show you inside my computer, give you a little training on some insane tricks on how I rank in other areas up to 1,000 miles away just with on-page SEO. So maybe you got a site and it's ranking pretty decently for your main keyword in your main area, your hometown or the client's hometown, but he wants to rank in other areas. You don't have to go set up fake Google mailbox addresses or anything like that. It's as simple as some on-page SEO and doing it right. So I've already shot the video. I had to redo this intro because now I've noticed the keyword Waco SEO is already ranked #1 for my website SEO3.com. Now Waco is 2 hours away or more from me, and I didn't set up a Google map. This is an insane trick. It works every single time. Oh heck, let's just go. Come on. So here's the question. How can marketers like us, working only part-time and running our entire business from our laptop or smartphone, how are we able to guarantee insane results to our clients when the mainstream internet marketing gurus say that guarantees are impossible? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answers. My name is Brandon Olson, and welcome to Rank Daddy. Alright guys, this training is being done because there's several people in the group scrambling their heads trying to figure out unnatural ways to add other service areas or add locations and rank them that are not already on the client's site. Maybe a client wants to expand, or you're building a brand new site and you want to rank in multiple cities with the same website. I think a lot of you that are getting hung up have been in the lead generation niche, and you think that you got to go and build a Google Maps location for every city or every place that they want to rank, and that's not the case. It's not how it's naturally done. So I did a live test on my site to show you how this works. This works even if your original website is in one area, and then where you want to rank and add another area is 1,000 miles away. Okay, it doesn't have to be nearby, which is the question I wanted to ask myself, because here I am in New Braunfels, right? And my SEO company, I set it up to rank in New Braunfels, San Antonio, and Austin. So because New Braunfels is only 100,000 population, I didn't think when I began this that I could make a big enough living in New Braunfels. Well, obviously I was wrong. 100,000 people, there's a lot of businesses here. I can get one of each niche and do great. But I set it up with San Antonio and Austin, got a lot of business from both places. But what if I wanted to go farther than that with the same website and rank as far as Waco? So Waco is like 2 hours away from me. 2 hours and 19 minutes away. So could I rank my SEO3.com website that's based here in New Braunfels and have got some traction in San Antonio and Austin? Could I rank it in Waco and still be able to compete with people there? The answer is yes. So here's what I did, and this is all it takes. It's not rocket science by any means. I created a page on my site called Waco SEO Company, the core keywords, right? Now the page name is Waco SEO Company. The slug, which is after the slash, Waco-SEO-Company. The H1 tag is Waco SEO Company. The meta tag, if you look at that, is also Waco SEO Company, and then something else after that. The idea is to have the same matching keyword, whatever you're trying to rank for, as your page name, your slug, your H1 tag, and your meta tag. Those are all the core things that Google sees to be able to know what you want, what that page is about, and what it should be ranked for. There are no other pages on my entire site with the word Waco. And all we did was do that, and no other SEO, and we instantly hit position 10 on page 1. Waco is also about 100,000 population. So I did the same thing to Plano. Now Plano is 5 hours away from me. We instantly hit number 19. No SEO done to it. You can see the page name, Plano Digital Marketing Company. So that's the company name, that's the page name, that's the title, that's the slug, that's the H1 tag. With no other SEO, my website in New Braunfels now ranks 5 hours away in another city. How about Temecula? 1,000 miles away. SEO company in Temecula. We ranked 27th instantly with only on-page triggers. This is how powerful having everything in sync when you're doing your on-page. Your title, your H1, your page name, so for inner pages. Now obviously if you're ranking for your home page, you're going to have your home page as your home page. You're not going to have a slug up there. But those are your core keywords. Now if you want to go and add service areas and other areas and rank in those other areas, this is how you do it. So literally that's it. Now all we have to do to turn this on is just to start the process, throw this into RankDaddy, and we see all these terms come up. This actually hit number 4, the Waco SEO company, so it's bouncing around already and not doing anything as far as links. Now I start throwing Web 2.0 links or one PBN anchor with that, and it just starts to skyrocket up. The on-page trigger is why your website ranks, or where your website ranks, the on-page information. Once you get trust to your site, whatever words are on your site and SEO on-page properly, then they rank. It's not like you got a client, you may be charging them $1,000 a month to rank them in one city. Now they want to expand. They want to go somewhere else. You can charge them another $750. Say, I don't have to charge you the full $1,000. We can add a whole nother city, and we'll just do it for $750. And they're like, let's go. Look at all the work you got to do. You got to make one page for that city, properly on-page SEO, and then do some linking and put them into the process. Maybe run one press release announcing the business in that new location, using that as the anchor. You're going to blow this guy up. So you can imagine now your agency, and I've already thought about this. I've already got lists going. I don't really need any more clients is the problem. You can sit here and clock off areas for your agency site just by having a page written and do the proper this article literally cost me $3 to have this made. Put a video on there that we had so it would index faster, and that's it. It's not difficult. We go out and we think it's so hard to do this SEO stuff. We get in our own heads and we get in our own ways when it's cake. It's logical. You just do the things that Google's looking for. They're not going to rank a site for something that doesn't exist on the page. So for a long time, I did SEO, and I wondered why nothing was taken. I've got all these backlinks going in saying, hey, Google, rank for this keyword. But then when Google's looking at my page and they see the meta title, and then they see the H1 tag, and they see the content, and that anchor's not there, it's like you did all that work for nothing. So a lot of you I know already have a lot of Web 2.0 and PBN links and things that are pointing back to your site. I guarantee you, if you go in and you fix your on-page SEO the right way, you watch your rank tracker blow up. You're going to see a sea of green, like Ed keeps posting in the group these rank tracker reports with all these green numbers. Green means you're rocketing up the rankings, and that's what happens when you fix your on-page SEO. So we have an insane on-page SEO in-depth training coming, because you can get so much done with zero money, or very little if you outsource it, by doing your on-page SEO properly. So there's more than we've talked about as far as on-page SEO in the groups. This will be for pro only. If you don't have pro, I'm going to keep saying it. RankDaddy Academy is a stepping stone. You've got to get in pro if you want to really take off and go over 10 grand a month. So anyway, try this out, and talk to you soon, guys. Have a good one. Stop! Announcement! Update! So I said in the video that this new on-page training is only for pro. Changed my mind. I'm going to put it all in Academy also. The training's done. It's been in pro for a little while. We're going to put it in Academy because it is awesome. So, if you're not in Academy, get there. Get a free 2-week trial at rankdaddyhq.com. If you are in Academy, you are welcome. Stay active in the group. Keep contributing. And as always, thanks for watching Rank Daddy TV. We'll have more episodes coming up. If you want, you can listen to them on Spotify and a lot of other places. Apple iTunes, the Google Play Store. I can't even remember where else. But go to rankdaddy.tv. All the channels are there. All the video versions are there as well. And hey, y'all have an insane day. See you next time.